had one person on TikTok ask me what's in my purse, so I figured we had to do a video on it. I actually get so many compliments on this purse. It was only like $20 or $30. I got it from Kato last year for my birthday. It's really big and really spacious, and like it just holds like a lot of stuff. And I don't believe in like buying designer everything. I think I only have like one designer purse. Like I'd rather have multiple cheap cute things than like one expensive thing. Let's see what's in here. I don't even know what's in here other than a lot of wrappers and a lot of receipts. So this is also me cleaning out my purse because it's a little heavy. And then I'm actually thinking about switching my purse over to this one from Michael Kors. I did what's my purse with this a few years ago, so go check out that video. Literally it's just like a big junk drawer. I don't even know where to start. First thing, I have my wallet and all my cards. This wallet actually went with the purse. It's just a Michael Kors, and I just have money that won't come out. Love that. I also have my headphones. Fun fact, I love wired headphones. I don't like AirPods or anything wireless. I'm simple. I like having the cord, and it's aesthetically pleasing. I have a straw from Chick-fil-A, which is probably old. I have some crackers that are beat up and crumbled. Okay, now we're getting with the receipt. Receipt from April and January. April, I have a Kohl's Cash, which I'm pretty sure this expired. I have my portable charger. I have two of these, so you can just like charge your stuff up with. And this one too. I love this. I got this from Amazon. I have it in my storefront if you guys want the same one. I have my hand lotion. It just smells really good. And I have sensitive skin, so I can't use everything on my body, so this one works really good. Some more crackers. Okay, this is just a food haul. More crackers. I have a Quaker's granola bar, my favorite granola bar ever. A hairbrush. More receipts, more receipts, more receipts. Ooh, I have some lippies. I have this Wet n Wild. I actually don't even remember getting this. Just a Wet n Wild lip gloss. And then I used to use this. I want to say use this in college, so I probably need to throw this out. It's just a Milani lipstick. Napkins. Another receipt. I should go through these receipts, but I'm probably not going to because they're old. Gum wrapper. So that's everything in the big things. Majority of it was just receipts. Wait, there's more. I have a ibuprofen. I love these little cute little ibuprofen tablets. Like, they're so cute and convenient. And then the strap, if I wanted to make it the long way, I have that too. Has everything in the inside, and then on this little tab I just have a lot. I have a Panera gift card, which I probably need to put somewhere else. Motion sickness because I'm nauseous like 90% of the time. I have another key and my Aquaphora. I have a Starbucks gift card. And then on the other side I have some more lip products. Clearly I'm a lip girl. I have this one from probably Wet n Wild. Clearly I never used it, but that color. Then I have this lip oil from e.l.f. I think this is the prettiest color. Another receipt. Ooh, this one's from the mall. This was December 29th. And it's July. So, love that. That's everything that I have in this. Now, let's put it all in here. And I'm gonna try to be very minimal about this because I don't think I need all of this. I'm only gonna keep the essentials, like this hand cream. My ID. Let's do the lips that I actually use, which is this one. I do need some food because I need that. I don't really use ibuprofen much, but I do use Dramamine, so I need that. Battery. Hairbrush. Oh, can I get it? Got it. Okay, so now this is my new summer purse. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what other videos you want to see. I am posting every Sunday. Hold me to it. I hope I do so, especially since I have this new camera. So let me know also how this camera looks. I'm still playing around with the lens and like what the settings are. So if it looks crappy, don't let me know. Well, kind of let me know. But I will see you guys next time for another video. Bye guys.